1. 1977 Dodge W200 Military Vehicle, $4,500 Sale, Idaho. This rugged 1977 Dodge W200 was originally built for military use and remains a true 4x4 workhorse. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it's reportedly running and driving great with fully functional four-wheel drive. Recent repairs totaling over $2,000 to $100 show care has been taken to keep it mechanically sound. The green paint and solid body match its utilitarian legacy, and a clean title adds value. An excellent buy for collectors or off-road enthusiasts looking for military heritage on wheels. Two, 1970 Chevrolet C10 Pickup, $3,500 Kingston, Washington. A classic long bed pickup with unmistakable late 60s South styling. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 features a 350 V8 paired to a 4-speed manual. While it runs and drives well, it lacks power steering and brakes and does show rust, as expected for its age. The odometer has rolled over, and the steering column bearing needs attention. A basic but reliable platform with a clean title, perfect for a hands-on enthusiast seeking an authentic, drivable restoration project. Three, 1966 Dodge D100, $3,500 Sacramento, California. An original survivor, this 1966 Dodge D100 features the durable 318 poly V8 and a classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With 92,000 miles and in running condition, it still manages freeway speeds. The red exterior shows its age, but the truck presents an ideal balance of vintage charm and functionality. A strong candidate for a preservation project with daily driver potential, offered at a fair price with clean title. Four, 1977 GMC Shortbed 4x4, $3,800 Sale, Idaho. This half-done 1977 GMC Shortbed 4x4 pickup is a mechanical brute that runs better than it looks. With a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, the drivetrain is in good shape and the four-wheel drive system is operational. The body, however, suffers from multiple rust spots, although the chassis is structurally sound. A clean title and solid foundation make it an excellent candidate for a restoration or trail truck build. Five, 1978 Toyota Hilux Pickup, $3,600 Dayton, Nevada. The short-bed 1978 Toyota Hilux offers old-school reliability in a compact, simple package. Equipped with the venerable 20R engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it is praised for running well. With just 53,000 miles showing, this could be a rare survivor. It's a great option for collectors looking for an affordable, durable Japanese classic with minimal frills but lasting mechanicals. Six, 1976 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $2,500 Sale, Idaho. This long bed 1976 C10 Scottsdale, with its 350 V8 and automatic transmission, has a worn-in farm truck patina that makes it perfect for a project or parts donor. Though not currently roadworthy, it runs and moves under its own power. The original paint, minimal rust, and solid bed floor are all pluses. The title is missing, so check local DMV procedures, but the price reflects its potential as a solid build platform. Seven, 1970 to Dodge D100, $3,800 El Paso, Texas. Heavily upgraded, this 1970 to Dodge D100 has seen a lot of mechanical attention, including a rebuilt transmission, disc brake conversion, suspension overhaul, and a refreshed 318 engine with performance enhancements. The body is in fair condition, and while it still drives like an old truck, most major components have been addressed. A great start for someone who wants a vintage Mopar truck with the hard work mostly done. 8, 1989 Chevrolet C20 500, $1,750 Elma, Washington. Marketed as a camper special. This 1989 Chevrolet C20 500 is being sold with a 1993 5.7-liter replacement engine for Bolt, Maine. The existing motor is noted as junk, although the truck still starts and drives, just not very far. At $1,750, this is a parts truck with potential for those willing to swap the motor. Structurally, it seems decent, and the clean title helps if you're looking to bring it back to life. Nine, 1989 Ford Ranger X LT $1,200 Sandpoint, Idaho. Owned since new. This 1989 Ford Ranger X LT 4x4 is a true time capsule. It has not been heavily used in recent years but still runs well. The 2.9-liter V6, automatic transmission, and functional four-wheel drive make it practical. While the paint is peeling and the interior shows age, it has a clean title and honest presentation. A budget-friendly classic with daily driver potential for someone who values originality. Ten, 1980 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale, $3,000 Anthem, Arizona. This heavy-duty 1980 Chevrolet C20 comes with a powerful 450 for V8 and automatic transmission. While the odometer is broken and the body is described as a project or farm truck candidate, it runs and drives. Perfect for someone wanting a reliable hauling platform or looking to build a rat rod. With a clean title and the iconic square body look, it's well priced for what it is. 11, 1960 to Ford F100 Unibody Long Bed, $9,500 Tierras, New Mexico. This rare Unibody 1960 to Ford F100 long bed is fitted with a high-performance 460 engine, high-rise intake, Edelberg carburetor, and a rebuilt C6 transmission with B&M shifter. It runs and drives very well and has minimal rust limited to the cab mounts and floor. These Unibody models are increasingly hard to find, and this example is clean and mostly solid, making it an excellent driver that is ready for cosmetic upgrades. 12. 1970 to Ford F-250 Big Block, $7,500 Merida, California. A true survivor with only 77,000 miles, this 1970 to Ford F-250 comes equipped with the factory 390 Big Block V8, automatic transmission, power steering, and front disc brakes. Purchased from a longtime owner of over 30 years, it has a clean title and a very straight body. With solid floors and rockers and an extra set of wheels included, this truck is well preserved and ready to be enjoyed as is or restored. (13) 1985 Chevrolet K20 4x4 pickup, $8,000 Lyman, Washington. This lifted 1985 Chevrolet K20 is a full-size 4x4 with style and strength. Featuring a 435 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and extensive recent maintenance including a new master cylinder, power steering pump, radiator, and front end work. The dual fuel tanks, clean interior, and bronze metallic paint add appeal. A great value for a capable vintage off-road machine that's already sorted and ready to go. (14) 1987 Ford F-250X LT Diesel, $6,000 Albuquerque, New Mexico. A diesel-powered extended cab, this 1987 Ford F-250X LT offers serious torque and utility. With power windows, power locks, and bucket seats, it has the hallmarks of a well-equipped workhorse. The truck once had a vegetable oil system, hinting at eco-conscious ownership. Its clean title and good overall condition make it ideal for a diesel enthusiast looking to restore or use it for heavy-duty tasks.